Now it's recording.
Baby.
It's grilled beans.
Oh,
No, it's not.
baked beans. Grilled beans. Why do you push me down like that? What did I do to you?
Oh, okay. Ow!
Okay. I'm gonna get up here now without you pushing me.